Top 4 Higher Education Technology Trends in Ohio. Courtesy of Business Smart's Information Technology Resources for Higher Education in Ohio.
Technology is creeping up into the education system as a requirement for most Ohio colleges. It is hard to ignore this necessity for better technology and security required to run higher education systems that cater to the latest trends. There are 4 areas where higher education technology must offer the right support for what most students use every day. In some cases, the technology is also used by professors, so the school's administrator must understand the technology as well as have enough knowledge to implement it. The first trend is BYOD. Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD, is a term given to allow students or teachers to bring tablets and smartphones and connect these devices directly to the network. Most Ohio colleges have Wi-Fi for laptops or netbooks where students can take notes and follow along with the professor's lecture. But with the increasing popularity of smartphones and tablets in all markets, Ohio colleges must be able to offer BYOD for mobile devices with smaller screens, different operating systems, and different apps. Our second trend is something called flipped classes. Video streaming is the new way to learn. Instead of asking students to show up for lectures, the student watches the core lecture using video streaming. The endpoint machine could be a smartphone, tablet, or a desktop computer. The student then attends class for relevant exercises and projects. The student can ask the professor questions during class. For flipped class environments to work, higher education technology must support faster video streaming with increased bandwidth. The third trend in technology is online learning and distance learning. With video streaming, professors can set up lectures and save them for students. Some professors set up distance learning where the student can watch the lecture from hundreds of miles away. The technology required includes camera equipment in the lecture hall and the bandwidth and technology to stream real-time conversations to the student's dorm or home. This style of learning is quickly becoming the standard in most modern lecture halls because it gives students in rural areas the ability to learn from top Ohio colleges without moving closer to the campus. The fourth trend is social media. The role of the IT department is more about protecting students from phishing attempts or hacks that spread using social media. The technology manager must allow students to access social media to communicate with family and friends while still protecting them from the many social media phishing attacks. Social media isn't just Facebook and Twitter. College students are also using popular sites as Reddit, Dig, Pinterest, and Instagram. To wrap up, these 4 technology trends are fast becoming a part of most businesses, so of course they are also creeping onto college campuses. If you support an Ohio higher education system, it's important to learn how to manage and support technology trends for students and faculty.
What other higher education technology trends have you seen in Ohio? Let us know your thoughts in the comments box below. And to follow through on the tips introduced in this short article, be sure to download your free copy of the Information Technology Resources for Higher Education in Ohio. You can download a copy of this guide while it's still available at ohiohigheredtech.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about the top 4 higher education technology trends in Ohio.